Hello and welcome to this Manifesting Abundance series. If you are just tuning in, then a warm welcome. This is an 11-part series and we are currently on day 6. So you are finding this video when it is right for you to see it. But for those of you who have been following along the whole time, thank you so very much. I hope that you are seeing the benefit from this. And today's cards are indicating that you are. So that's really exciting. Okay, how this is going to go is I'm going to pull an oracle card from the Angels of Abundance Oracle card deck. We talk about the daily energy and then we end with an energy healing session where I flow to you 5 minutes of high vibrational energy to help raise our vibration, to help wash out any blocks. Like, it varies every single time. My name is Rachel. If I've not yet introduced myself, I'm an energy healer, a card reader, a Reiki master. If you've not yet signed up for the 30-minute energy healing download, you can find that on my website. The link is below. All right, let's get into today's card. I'm excited about it. Today's card is raise or promotion. So if you watched yesterday, if you've been following along in this series, yesterday I was talking about going within and retreating, and there was a strong sense that a lot of us had some subconscious dialogue going on that we really feared failing. Like, we wanted to manifest this abundance, we're trying to manifest this abundance, but there's this underlying current that we really don't expect to. We don't think we will. And so yesterday we were really encouraged to go within and do whatever we needed to do to ask for help from others, guidance from others, and just kind of work through that so that we are ready. So that, like, mind, body, and soul, we're ready. And what the card is saying is that that hard work paid off, is paying off right now. And I'll read it to you. It says, congratulations, an increase in your abundance flow awaits you. This is the result of your positive focus and willingness to take action based on your divine guidance. Keep up the good work. What you have been doing. So if you've been following along and you've been taking these steps, it's working. If you're just finding this, what you have been doing on your own naturally is working. Keep it up. I pulled a second card because I just wanted to see if there was any additional message to this raise or promotion. And this is the card I got. This is the card that came out, Victory. This is very much, both of these cards, they have this golden halo that you can see. This is very much a high vibrational day for you. This is very much a high vibrational time for you, very much a crown chakra. You're getting this divine guidance, so follow it. The universe is giving you these gifts. All you are responsible for is keeping this vibration high, because if you look at these two cards, they're both in a very high vibration. If they were not, then they would not be able to see that abundance, if that makes sense. So the reason that we got the victory card, we got the raise or promotion card, is because of this high energy, this positive focus, this willingness to do the work. As the card says, this is the result of your positive focus and willingness to take action based on your divine guidance. We have been listening. We've been asking the universe or others or angels, guides, we've been asking for help, and we've been listening. And even though maybe it wasn't easy to listen, it wasn't easy to do that work, it is listening some fear, some things within us, because we're doing this, because we're willing to do the work. We're at this point now where we are reaping the benefits. So today, I'm really getting a strong intuition to do what you need to do to keep this vibration high. I know I've been saying that all along, but with yesterday's card especially, some heavier energies came out, but I feel like we've purged that, or just being willing, opening ourselves up to be able to purge that is now inviting in this abundance. And you are going to get it to the extent that you are open and ready to accept it. So I know that it might seem a little odd, like yesterday we're like, don't do anything, retreat, halt, stop, and then today it's like, take divine guidance. This is not like one day that you have to do this, the next day you have to do this. It's a continuous flow. It's a continuous process. So as you continue to process things that are holding you back, you are opening yourself up to more and more abundance. And so and the cards are indicating that that is starting today. So the work that you've done has opened yourself up to an extent. The more work you do either on yourself or the action that you begin to take is going to open you up more and more and more. This is very beautiful. Very beautiful. Do what you need to do to keep your vibration high. Keep your focus on what you know you deserve. Keep your focus on your worthiness. Do things that inspire you. Do things that keep your mindset positive. And that's going to keep your vibration high. If you are into any sort of yogic practices like a Kundalini yoga or Kriyas, or any other energetic practice that's going to raise your vibration, do that today. And you're going to be really opening yourself up for that raise or promotion, for this victory. These are really beautiful. I am very excited because I know that yesterday was a little heavy, so I'm very excited for this. So, without further ado, let's get into today's energy healing session. So I'm going to send it for your highest and best good, but I'm going to set the intention that it is really being sent to help you raise your vibration to become aligned with this abundance. And if you have any other intentions that you want to set, go ahead and set that now. So what I'm going to do, if you're just joining in, we do 5 minutes. You can sit or lie down. If you're not able to sit or lie down, you'll still receive the energy. I always like to explain to people how just sending a text message. So you don't have to be here. If I send you a text message, you don't have to be sitting right across from me to be able to receive it. You can be on the other side of the world and you receive that text message. Doing this energy healing is very much the same. It's all energy. You can't see it, but it's still, it's still getting to you. Okay, but if you sit down or close your eyes, often you can feel it a lot stronger. So I'm just going to set my timer. I'm going to start with some sacred symbols to help me connect to your energy across all time and space. Please enjoy. We'll check in 5 minutes. gonna wipe off your energy of anything that you may have released during that session. Wipe off my energy field, and I disconnect, so be it, and so it is. Thank you. I definitely felt a strong energy. If you ever feel a little out there after this energy session, any meditation, a good idea is to drink water. It helps ground you. If you still feel ungrounded, go outside, touch a tree, get in the grass, the dirt. I mean, actually ground yourself. So I just feel like some of us it was very crown chakra oriented session. So when that happens, luckily it was only 5 minutes, so it didn't give us really enough time to really get up there. But I just wanted to throw that out there because I really felt the vibrations rising. That was beautiful. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. This is a shorter video because not a whole lot to say or do. Just keep that vibration high. I will talk with you again tomorrow. Again, my name's Rachel. Information's below if you have any questions or want to grab that 30-minute session. Okay? Love and light.